Hello everyone, I am Tarun Valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 11 of 100 days of cloud by Cloud. In the day 11 task, we are going to attach the elastic network interface to the EC2 instance that was already being running. Now let's start the task. Actually, the elastic network interface is a virtual network interface card which is actually used to assign the IP address and the MAC address that are being available in the default VPCs in the AWS. If you know, actually our devices are like laptops or the mobile phones having NIC cards. These are like physical devices which are responsible for providing the network connectivity to the device. Same like that, the elastic network interface cards are provide the internet connectivity to the instances that are in the VPCs. So click on the console URL and try to log into the console URL. If you see the task clearly here, there is an instance name called Xfusion EC2 and the elastic network interface named with Xfusion ENI. So we need to attach the ENI to the EC2 instance. That's it. Here see, we can see here I am logged using console. Now click on search bar and search for EC2. Click on EC2. Now we can see here the instance is already in running state. Before going to attach the network interface, let me show you how it actually works. So if you see here, the status of the instance was in still initializing state. So after attaching the network interface to this instance, the status check will be completed by 2 by 2. So let's do that. Click on network interfaces and we need to choose the default ENI. Click on actions and here we can see we need to attach. After choose the VPC, that was the default VPC, and we need to choose the instance what we want to attach. Here we can see the instance name was Xfusion EC2 instance. Now click on attach. We are successfully attached this network interface to this EC2 instance. Now let's check the instance status check. Now if we click on refresh, now we can see here we got 2 by 2 checks passed. This is how we actually use the network interface, but these are in the logical way. When it comes to the physical or hardware devices, we actually use hardware components to connect the internet. Let's take the task. Here we can see we have successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.